With over 120 companies in the advanced materials and manufacturing sector, Utah has rapidly become a global leader in outdoor recreation, aerospace, defense, medical, and virtually any other industry driven to design and build products that are lighter, stronger, and faster. The rapid growth of carbon fiber, ceramics, and polymers, and the processes of filament winding, automated fiber placement, tape laying, 3D printing, and more have created abundant career opportunities in a region that Forbes has listed in their top 10 best places for business and careers and best places to raise a family. Other prominent publications have heaped accolades on the area, including 5 gorgeous mountain towns you can afford, America's adventure capital, one of the West's best places to live, and one of the best cities for millennial homebuyers. Companies like Boeing, Orbital ATK, Hexcel, Janicki, Keomac, Zodiac, Envy, and Black Diamond can tell you all about their opportunities to make a living in northern Utah. We're here to tell you about how to make a life here. Davis and Weber counties are located just north of Salt Lake City, about a half hour from Salt Lake City International Airport, giving residents easy access to metro amenities like NBA basketball, Major League Soccer, Pac-12 athletics, along with world-class art, theater, and music, while avoiding the accompanying high price tag for the cost of living. Housing options range from modern high-density units to historic district homes to mountain luxury properties, all at affordable rates. But life is about more than workplaces and homes. This area is renowned for its eclectic, independently owned businesses, shops, galleries, restaurants, and bars, all in a vibrant community stacked with special events, concerts, festivals, farmers markets, and energetic nightlife. The Wasatch Mountain Range towers above with hundreds of miles of hiking and mountain biking trails and rivers teeming with trout. A short 20-minute drive up one of the nearby scenic canyons accesses stunning mountain valleys with reservoirs welcoming every form of water sports. The reservoirs and rivers are fed by runoff from 3 nearby ski resorts where residents share the slopes with Olympic and other extreme sports athletes throughout the winter. Throughout the rest of the year, the community hosts world-class marathons, off-road triathlons, national championship cycling events, PRCA rodeos, minor league baseball, and a mind-blowing concert series. Whether you choose this active and athletic lifestyle or a more laid-back, serene existence of art strolls and quiet neighborhoods, the advanced materials and manufacturing career opportunities available in the area ensure that Utah will live up to its promise of life elevated.